Good morning, my name is Michael from Long Engineering Australia. We're a CNC machining company based in Homebush West in Sydney. We specialise in CNC turning and milling in the repetition side of things. Today we've got a little job here, some machining on some orifice plates, some engraving too. You can see the before is just a laser cut plate. After we've got a little chamfer around the inner bore and an engraving here to identify the plate. So we're using our 3-axis machine here with a jig plate installed, you might be able to see. So let's get started and see how we do it.
We're going to start with loading the jig plate, a little cam lock here, tighten down the screws, and then last little squeeze on the cam lock. We're ready to go. Let's hit the go button. Starting here with a tool change, we're going to 120-degree cutter, 4 flutes solid carbide. We'll do a chamfer around this centre bore here. As you can see, it's held in one of our jig plates, made up for holding multiple different sizes and a few different jobs. Then we'll come down after this and we'll engrave a little number on there just for identification of the different size plates we do. So there you can see the engraving.